Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've installed a Starline Pro on this AMG GT63 4-door. So a thief gets the key, or they do a relay attack on the customer, try and steal the vehicle. It's going to start up. As you can see, when they go to select a gear, put it in drive, neutral, reverse, car's going to switch off. As you can see, it's cut out, we get a load of faults. What the customer can do to start this vehicle, start it up as normal. Before selecting a gear, they'll pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, nice and simple for this video. Customer can change it, hear that melody, and we can now select our gear. As you can see, it's gone into gear, and the vehicle hasn't cut out. If they had their connected phone paired up within Bluetooth range, they just hop in the vehicle, phone can be in their pocket, start it up, we hear a melody straight away. There you go, we heard that melody, we can drive the vehicle, goes into gear, doesn't stall out. So once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Pro. Customer can choose their own push sequence, up to 21 presses using factory buttons. Compare their phone to it, so they don't need to use a code all the time. Has a valet mode of a simple press and hold within the app. And immobilises the vehicle if a thief should try to steal it when they're selecting a gear. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Starline Immobiliser on an AMG GT63 4-door. Thanks for watching.